Hey, welcome to Mullen Stock. If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bells so you never miss any of our uploads. And also remember that this is not a financial advice video. Today, I would like to share some data points regarding Mullen Primark update. What about the shorts? Any new developments from the company? Let's dive into it. Currently, its value is up by 2.51%. You can see it's experiencing significant volatility, and this is due to recent news. Mullen Automotive has provided an update on its U.S. Customs and Border Protection application for Class 1 EV cargo vans. Mullen and RRDS jointly filed a response on November 24, and we can expect confirmation and rulings within 45 days. I've highlighted November 24th because, according to David's latest interview, he mentioned that the joint guest request or filing, or whatever it may be, would be submitted before November 10th. There's a bit more time to wait. Initially, I thought we'd get a response within 45 days by December 25th, but it might be a bit later, possibly by mid-January. Stay vigilant on this. One key point in this article is that Mullen has undergone significant transformations and is not just another Chinese product. They have taken steps to create a U.S. made-in product. I believe they are laying a foundation, especially for our RRDS, as mentioned in the article by Stock Titan. It also states that Mullen has entered into multiple supply contracts with Tier 1 and Tier 2 OEM suppliers from South Korea, Germany, Romania, China, and Canada. Again, this provides a bit more context compared to the previous information. I think they are making efforts to move away from China and not just be a product of China. They want to be something more. Because I think that many people, both bullish and bearish, have understood that they just place shell orders and essentially assemble them. I think that's their way of thinking. That's why I think they are really trying to build this foundation to make it more than it is. It's being claimed. Again, tell me what you think about this. In my opinion, I think it's a step in the right direction, but essentially, it's just fluff. Because of this, it's up about 2.23%. We'll have to see what happens during the trading day. But in my opinion, regardless, I don't think there is any substantial reason for anyone to buy Mullen. Anyway, I could have been a little optimistic. So it seems that the Monrovia facility is now on lease, which means they are ready to leave this facility and ship to a new facility. So that 121,000 square foot facility, 200,000 or I'm thinking 240,000 for a month. It's quite substantial. I don't know how much the Monrovia lease was, but at least it's a good sign that Mullen is doing something about it. But let's move on. Let's talk about shorts. So let's discuss this. There is an increase in shorts, around 7,000 shares. So not much is happening. 16.38% of the free float is shorted, and a total of 63.54 million shares are shorted. And you can go and see that first they were increasing by 33,000 shares. Then clearly this news came and they returned some. So it's a bit interesting. Maybe they saw something substantial. And there is clearly a spike. Shorts have returned their shares. But without any substantial reason, you can see that there is a lot of volatility. This is quite interesting. People's perspectives may be different from others. Perhaps many people find some significance in this article. I personally do not believe it at all. However, upon returning the average debt, there is still quite high. So this average of 131.89% has increased a bit. Previously, you always used to see a broker charging around 9%, but it seems that it has increased significantly. So it's around 100.41%. According to Interactive Brokers, it is indicated by short availability that around 40,000 shares can be shorted. So, not really that much. And I think this has been the case for some time. Many people, armed with this information, are saying that there is going to be a squeeze in the near future. The filing is a bit delayed, so 2 weeks late, which is on November 24th, while it was initially said to be legal not long before, on November 10th. What are your thoughts on all this? Guys, that's all we have for you today. What is your opinion about Mullen stock? Get involved and let us know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching.